Hi guys, this is Muhammad, and today I bring you a special unboxing for the limited edition Galaxy S9 Plus in 256 gigs that cost $1,000. What you are getting in this limited edition is the value pack and the phone box. Inside the value pack you will see you have 4 items. A fast car charger, a selfie stick, a fast wireless charger, and a Bluetooth speaker. By the way, this limited edition bundle comes only in Saudi Arabia. The Bluetooth speaker, made from metal, topped with rubber that feels like leather. Unboxing the phone itself, you will see written in the phone box the 256 gigs in front and in the back. By the way, it comes with a case. Thanks for watching.